In IT English, feature creep is a very important expression. Feature creep is when a project keeps adding more and more features until it becomes too big or too complex. Feature creep is almost always singular, it's usually uncountable. Another expression you can use is scope creep, project expansion, or adding unnecessary features. You can use it when talking about product design, scope control, project delays. And the pronunciation is feature. I know you can see the letter A, but it's not fia, but feature. Feature creep. Feature creep. And two common verbs are to say to avoid feature creep or to suffer from feature creep. I know for me, my personal experience in my online courses, I've had a lot of problems with feature creep. For example, we avoided feature creep by staying focused on the basic requirements. The project suffered from feature creep. New features were added every week. If English is difficult for you in tech interviews, download my free PDF with 15 essential phrases, examples, and a step-by-step practice plan. You can find the link in the description of this video. You can find the link in my profile or at EnglishForITProfessionals.com. Please click like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.